Okay, here's a tutorial in how to remove a background from from objects or images. So here my objective is removing the background of this bird here and putting a different background. Now, of course, you can do it in Photoshop or a different graphics software, but in Corel, like if you're doing web graphics and you know that pixels would be smaller, and then you won't really notice a lot of pixels when you crop it, like the sharp edges, you can do it in Corel. So the first thing you have to do is we're going to create an object or a shape, okay, tracing this outline of the bird. Okay, so in order to do that, you go to this tool here, okay, freehand tool. Okay, it's one, two, three, four, fifth tool from the top, and you go to the second option, which is Bezier tool. So how does Bezier tool work? Okay, Bezier tool work is when I click, 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 and then I close it, then it's a shape, right? Okay, that's how Bezier works. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna zoom in here first. Okay, that's the okay. I'm gonna make a shape now, Bezier tool, and I'm just going to make a shape from here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just go. I'm just going to trace it all around to make an object. We'll just do it quickly here. I won't really go to details of the shape, but I'm just gonna show you my objective here and how this effect works. Okay, so I'm almost done. I'll just make a rough. If you're really picky, you can really zoom in and then you can just trace really nicely. But here, and then I'll close it here. Okay. Now if I copy that, I put a fill on it, I have an object. But the problem is I have to have like a cutout here too. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm gonna remove the fill first, and then I'm going to zoom in this part. Okay, zoom out, and then I'll create an object again here. Okay, I'll just do that quickly here. Okay, zoom out. Now I have two objects. I have this object here, and then I also have this object here. Okay, we have to combine these two objects, so this will be hollow. So click on the gray object and then hit on shift in your keyboard, just hold shift and click on the blue object, and then you go to arrange and then combine. Now I have the object. Now the only thing I have to do here is to click on the image from the web, and you go to effects, power clip, place inside the container, and which is my container. My container is the blue shape that I did, and click on it, and there you go. Now for example, you want to edit something inside, you just click on the object and you go to effects, power clip, edit contents, because sometimes your image will be like that, right? So it's not aligned to that blue shape. So what you're gonna do is you gotta align it. Going to move that over. I don't know if you can see it, but let's zoom in here. See that blue outline? Now you have to make sure that the bird is inside that outline. And then if you're happy with it, just go click on finish edit objects, and there you go. Now we can just remove the outline. Click on the outline tool and click on X. Now we can go to the internet. Okay, let's go to okay, let's go to Google. Okay, and click on image here. I'll just put here I don't know what you want to put here. You want to put here like anyway, I'll just find maybe sunset. Okay, so now I have an image, and then I'll just copy it here. There you go. Now here, what happened here? Okay, the bird is behind this picture. So what I'm gonna do, putting this object behind. So I go to arrange, order, and put to back of the page. There you go. I've got a bird in a different background now. There. And there you have it.